Recently, there was a crackdown on Bitcoin mining and trading in China. And previous to that, a lot of the computational work that goes into keeping these ledgers synced together was happening in China. And so, they refer to this as the great westward migration of hash power. So there are a bunch of computer processors in China that are currently not able to be used to do this kinds of processing. So we've seen this demographic shift in how this processing happens. It's now moved outside of China. A lot of that computational power is still locked up in China. It's unclear exactly how much of that's going to be able to leave into other markets, although there's been some movement on that. And so we've seen this demographic shift. That's going to continue to happen as different governments take different stances on the desirability of having a big Bitcoin presence in their country or in their state in the U.S. You're going to see some demographic shifting of sort of business models, and there will be new opportunities as new companies realize that their country is now a profitable place to engage in, for example, Bitcoin mining. They will start to open up to that, and other countries will decide they don't want any part of that, and you will see a shutting down of that. Bitcoin mining currently is an energy play, where the process, the computational work that the computers have to do to validate these transactions, that computational work is pretty standardized. So now it's a question of who can get the cheapest energy. And so as we see policy changes from China or other places, that makes it now all of a sudden it's worth it to do it in a place where otherwise the energy might have been too expensive, or there's innovation in getting access to that energy in a low-cost way or an efficient green way. And as those things happen, then we end up with shifts in the business models for these various Bitcoin miners and other cryptocurrency startups.